Now let's take two triangles. This section is really about comparing triangles. And how do you know when triangles match? First of all, matching triangle is called congruency, and the term congruency is reserved for a special type of equality. It is equality in measurement and form. You see, these two triangles are equal in form, but not in measurement, so they are not congruent. On the other hand, these two triangles are equal in size and form, so we say that they are congruent. Okay, again, how do we know when two triangles are congruent? Do we place one over the other? No, that is not precise enough. What we need to know is what is the least information we need before we know that two triangles are congruent. Well, the least information we need is as follows. If we determine that the corresponding three sides are equal, without even looking at the size of the angles, then we can say that the triangles are congruent because of side, 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 or SSS for short. 2. If we determine that two pairs of corresponding sides are equal, and that the angles in between the sides are also equal, we can say that the triangles are congruent, without considering the other side or angles. This congruency is called side-angle side, or SAS for short. 3. If we determine that two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, and that the side in between the angles are also equal, we can say that the triangles are congruent, without considering the other sides or angle. This congruency is called angle-side-angle, or ASA for short. 4. If we determine that two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, and that any side to the side of any of the two angles, or the non-included side, are also equal, we can say that the triangles are congruent, without considering the other side or angle. This congruency is called angle-angle side, or AAS for short. 5. If you're dealing with right triangles, that is, triangles with a 90-degree angle, and the hypotenuse and one of the corresponding smaller legs are equal, then the right triangles are congruent, without considering the other sides or angles. This congruency is called hypotenuse-leg, or HL for short. Reviewing triangle congruency, we say, triangles are congruent by side, 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 by side, angle, side, by angle, side, angle, by angle, angle, side, and in right triangles by hypotenuse, leg.